Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. Today we are going to discuss the Major Discourse Newspaper Report. Newspaper report is a major discourse. It comes for 10 marks. It is a formal writing, so you have to be very careful while writing a newspaper report. Have you ever observed a newspaper report? Here is an example for you. Please observe this newspaper report carefully, children. The different parts of the newspaper report are in the different colors. Fire claims 20 lives by Srujana, New Delhi, December 15. A major fire due to cylinder blast in a roadside hotel broke out in Chandni Chowk area on Thursday evening at 7:30 pm. The impact of the blast was so powerful that the roof of the building ripped apart, killing 10 people on the spot. Another 10 succumbed to injuries later in the night. The condition of 50 injured people is critical and they have been admitted to a nearby civil hospital. Delhi government has announced a relief of 50,000 rupees to kin of those killed and 30,000 each of those injured in the accident. A probe has been initiated, headed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate V.K. Singh, said an official. So, children, you have observed this news report. Now, look at the first line. Fire claims 20 lives. What is the news about? It is about the fire claims 20 lives. So, this part forms a heading. It should be written on the top of the news report. The headline should be very catchy. It should catch the reader's attention. It sums up the news. It must be in 4 to 5 words. So brevity should be maintained. You cannot write a full sentence. So it should be very small and it should be very catchy. Now, after the heading, we have to write who reported the news. It is called as byline. Srujana reported the news. Byline gives us the information of the writer's name. Particularly, we write byline for sports, crime, food, current events, etc. After writing the heading and the byline, we have to write the place line. Now we have to write where did it happen or when did it happen. It happened in New Delhi on December 15. So it is called as the place line. Place line tells us where and when the incident has taken place. Now, after writing the heading, byline, and the place line, then comes the introduction. Now, observe the first statement of the report. A major fire due to cylinder blast in a roadside hotel broke out in Chandni Chowk area on Thursday evening at 7:30 pm. This gives us the entire news summed up in the first statement, in a single statement. So, this part forms the introduction of the report. So, the introduction summarizes the whole news in a single sentence. After writing the introduction, let us move to the body of the letter. Now, after writing the introduction, we have to write about the facts of the news. What are the facts about the news? A powerful blast, 20 people killed, 50 were injured, government reaction, and relief activities. So, it is called as the body of the report. It answers to the question how or why the incident has taken place. So, body of the letter gives us the detailed information about the incident. At the end, observe this. A probe has been initiated headed by the Chief Judicial Magistrate V.K. Singh, said an official. These are the quotes. Now observe the last part of the report. It is the quote of an official. He told something about the news, so we call as quotes. It is optional. Quotes are the spoken words of a person. It should be written in the quotation. So children, I hope you people have understood. I have explained to you all the different parts of the news report which are written in a systematic manner. So, to sum up this, let us have a look at the features of the news report. First feature is that it should have a headline. It is a heading which attracts the readers. It should be in 4 or 5 words. Brevity should be maintained. Headline is followed by byline. It is the name of the news writer. It is followed by place line. It gives us the information when and where the incident has happened. Comes introduction. Introduction is the introductory part which summarizes the entire news in a single sentence. Then comes body of the news report. It gives us the complete and detailed information about the facts of the incident. Then comes the quotes. Quotes are the spoken words of the person who is involved in the news. The words should be written in the quotation. So children, I hope you people have understood how to write a newspaper report. Now it's time for you to take down the home assignment. Write a newspaper report about the act of bravery of Swami. Thank you.